The title of our research is SPLASH, which means Skills Development, Positive Response, Livelihood Program, Ability to Adjust, Support System, and Holistic Approach. An intervention program to address absenteeism of ALS or Alternative Learning System learners in San Jose Community High School at Metro San Jose, GMA Cavite, in a new normal for school year 2020-2021. The proponents of this research study are Angelito B. Amor, our ALS coordinator, Sarah May A. Marfil, one of our instructional manager in ALS, and yours truly, Dr. Gina C. Bencito. For the rationale, for ALS program in Metro San Jose, absenteeism of learners is a big problem. Absentee learners are those who are not attending classes, not reporting to their teacher, and no output submitted. ALS active learners are those attending classes or reporting to their instructional manager and submit required outputs. This paper aims to determine the effectivity of SPLASH program as a means of addressing absenteeism of ALS learners in San Jose Community High School in Metro San Jose, GMA Cavite. The researchers will recommend that ALS learners of San Jose Community High School in Metro San Jose, GMA Cavite will have SPLASH program. Key literature. From Bruce Law's Sabbatical 2013, there was a critical link between successful educational outcomes by students and their attendance. While according to Mailey Gillian 2016, absenteeism affects the status and productivity of school. According to Balfans and Biernes 2012, being in school is directly linked to succeeding in school. While Mark Liverman on the article in the Internet Education Week 2020 says absenteeism has long been vexing and frustrating issue for educators. During COVID-19, the phenomenon has only grown more pressing.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mr. Angelito B. Amor as one of the author of our Action Research SPLASH program. I'm going to discuss the following. First, the methodology. As far as the methods, we use the mixed methods, qualitative and quantitative methods. But before undergoing the implementation of the SPLASH program, we sought permission first to the school's principal and proceed to the approval of our school's division superintendent at the Cavite province. As to the total number of respondents, we used 41 active learners of ALS in Metro San Jose at San Jose Community High School active learners, 20 male and 21 female. The total remuneration will be utilized. We considered the convenient time of our respondents on the implementation of the SPLASH program. And after the implementation program, we will be having a comparison on the mean result of their attendance record before and after the implementation of. As far as the findings was concerned, we found out that the average age of our respondents was 23 years old. For the gender, 20 male and 21 female. As to the grade level, there were 33 junior high school and 18 elementary level. As to the attendance record before undergoing the SPLASH program, there were 30% of the ALS learners not attending classes. But after the program, we found out that there were only 10% not attending classes. There were 20% improvement as far as the attendance was concerned. It only implies that there was a big improvement on the attendance record of our learners in ALS program. The implementation of the SPLASH program will be able to help in order to improve the attendance record of our learners.
Good day to everyone. I am Marfil and I am going to present the conclusion, recommendation, and references of our research. For our conclusion, SPLASH intervention program is a big help to maintain the attendance of the learners and be able to become a completer or passer. This program will motivate, encourage, and inspire the learners to do their part to pass the ALS program. For our recommendation, SPLASH intervention program should be used as innovation program whole year round. ALS implementers should promote the program and encourage full support by all stakeholders. SPLASH should continue but needs to be improved always. And for the references, here are the lists we used in our research. Thank you and God bless.